Hello, traders. This is a new month. We got April 3rd. This is a Monday morning. And taking a look at the SPY here, couple of actually 3 nice days in the SPY, gap ups on a couple of days. Nice run on Friday, gapping down a little bit this morning. We got oil that is very strong. I'm sure you know about that. So let's dive in. I'm probably looking for some more pullbacks, but there's some nice looking setups out there. So let's take a look. As far as the oil sector goes, I think my favorite would be this rig here. It is popping up, above the 50-day moving average there, and even though it's up about 8%, this can be a big mover. And if it does get above this high going back 3 days ago, you might just want to stick an alert. It could have some run to it. So take a look at rig. The next one is Yext. Okay, this one is earnings about a couple of weeks ago. Big move on earnings. It's been a sloppy the first few days, but kind of been in a sloppy channel. But if it does get above this kind of 3 wick high here, maybe around 990, looks like it wants to go at least tag that $10 range. So keep an eye on that one. China play, this Milko. It's looking good here. It is gapping up about 5%, but nonetheless, it's been consolidating, being pinched between its moving averages here, and I seeing a nice gap up. Boy, above this 1425 level, could really see a nice move there in Milko. And I'm liking this ENPH. Okay, this one is got some news like a $200.68 price target from Morgan Stanley today, gapping up above this range. Keep an eye on this ENPH if you like those bottom fishing stocks. All right, be careful. Have a good day out